Strategic thinking uses more energy than most executives realize. If you spend your day thinking big picture, analyzing the numbers, making decisions, speaking to your team, and meditating on the success of your company every minute of the day, you're using a lot of energy through the ajna and throat chakras. So the ajna chakra is connected to big picture, aim, and higher will, while the throat chakra is connected to knowledge, details, and materialization. So when these centers are depleted or congested, leaders may feel foggy, mentally dull, indecisive, or unable to rally the troops. That is when the same meeting takes longer, the same decision feels heavier, the same conversation requires more force. So it's not always a mindset issue. Sometimes the executive signal is overloaded. The answer is not more pressure. The answer is clearing and restoring the system through which leadership is running through, which is you. This is one of the things we solve for in the Executive Energy Reset. Join us this Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Details below.